Hi friend, Marian here, potentials.com signing in. So to share with you our haul at National Bookstore, Batangas City. Ayan. It's a book on effective speaking, challenges and solutions. So nakita natin you can, parang yung nakita natin for only 70 pesos. It talks about introduction, concluding messages when you are preparing for a talk. Ayan, you can use the tips on how to make presentations, how to construct your talk in a public manner, yung parang opening or introduction. Sabi, you can start with a question, you can start with a story, you can start with a quote, you can start with a joke. So yan. So nakita natin, it will be useful for our consulting work. So we bought it for 70 pesos. National Bookstore in Batangas. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.